Hello everyone, welcome to Citec. In today's video, I'm going to show you how with our platform you can analyze a mutual fund, see where this mutual fund is investing, and replicating and investing in the same positions that they are investing in. So let's go to the screener here on the left-hand side. Here we have three types of screener. For today, we're going to be selecting the mutual fund. We can order the mutual funds by expenses. For today exercise, we're going to be selecting the Amada Mutual Fund Trust Growth Fund. So we will go and click Analyze with this blue icon. We're going to be, just keep it to $50,000. And now what the system is doing is moving all these positions to the portfolio analysis. There's two stocks here in red. You can see the stocks that we don't have or we are not covering within our universe. So you can go and delete those two. And with that, we are ready to launch the analysis. This is a really interesting mutual fund. As we go to Morningstar, we can see that it's a 5-star mutual fund. So they have been performing pretty well over time. If we could go and look at the historic performance, they are above the category and mainly in line with the index. So let's go back to the platform. Here we have the portfolio analysis where we can see that the tracking error is 4.64. So this portfolio is highly aligned with the performance of the index. It's not like an ETF, but is close to that. As we look at the positions, we can see that they are overweighted in Apple with 11.34% of the portfolio there. We can see other names like Intuit, Adobe, and so on. Then we can go to the overview to see in which sectors they are investing. They are overweighted in information technology. They are heavily invested in healthcare, and they are mainly in line with the benchmark in industrial, consumer staples, and consumer discretionary. And mainly they are not invested in materials, communication services, energy, financials, real estate, and utilities. We can see that they are mainly large cap and highly weighted on growth companies. We can see from a volatility perspective, they're very much in line with the benchmark, and they have a beta of 1.03. So really same level of risk as the market. We can see that they have companies with low dividend yields. They are in the 29% percentile and low volatility. Would see that the dividend yield of their portfolio is 1.558, while the average of the market is on 2.1%. You can also see the distribution of the tracking error, that we are seeing that they are sort of correlated with the market. We can see what is the portfolio bar at 95%. It's going to be around 20%. We can see the portfolio concentration, a back test, when we can see that they have performed better than the market in the last 6 months, which is surprising, also considering they are highly invested in technology companies. So if we like what we are seeing and we want to invest in this portfolio, we can either save it and invest on it later, or we just can click on invest. Now what we're doing is moving all these positions to the trader and converting the theoretical weights to number of stocks and estimating the current market price. So right now here we have the 33 positions. If we are okay with it, we will click on execute trades with just one click. Now the market is closed, so we need to wait for another hour or so to actually go and execute this 33 trades. So this is mostly what you can do. You can also combine two different mutual funds and see how they play out together, how they mingle together.